Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 10, 11 error code 0xc000000F in MBR or BIOS. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot. Click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit, find your boot drive and Windows installed drive. In my case boot drive is C and Windows installed drive is C. Type attrib space, -s space, -r space, -h space, /boot/BCD. Type ren space, /boot/BCD space BCD35.old. Type bootrec space, /fix MBR. Type bootrec space, /fix boot. If any error type bootsec space, /nt60 space, sys. Type bootrec space, /rebuild BCD. BCD boot space, Windows installed drive letter colon. /s space, boot drive letter colon space, /f space, BIOS. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.